Hey, this is Martin, and in this video I'm going to show you how to develop a CTA testing strategy with Team-GPT. In Team-GPT, I've created a project and I call it CTA Testing Agent. Now let's see what's inside. For project info, I've added a comprehensive instruction based on what exactly we need, based on some information online, and the key thing is to enhance it with our instructions enhancer to create it into more fuller detail. I've also attached a CTA testing framework, which is a deep research on developing high-impact CTA testing programs, as well as our Mindful Bytes target audience profile. This is our dummy brand data that we use for these demos, which includes our target audience, additional needs, communication, etc. Now, after we've set it up, we might want to ask the agent what exactly it can do, what information can you provide, what should we provide the agent so it can give us a comprehensive output. All we can do is just straight up ask. This is extremely useful, especially if someone else said this for you and you want to know what you can do with it. Right now, just to show it off, I'll provide it with some essential information from our dummy brand and see how it performs. And there you have it, the agent analyzes it. It uses test priority roadmap, an overview, what we should aim for. I'd love for you to test this out. Of course, if you provide it with real examples and you narrowed down the instructions for your industry and for your brand specifically, it will be even more useful and more helpful. I would also include some campaign briefings, some meeting notes, some other chats and brainstorms, some more brand guidelines for our company, etc., etc. So please test this. Let me know how it goes for you, what works, what doesn't work, how we can improve it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.